In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Excel left functions. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull the first few characters from any text and turn messy data into something clear and useful. First, decide where you want your result to appear. Click the cell where you want Excel to display the extracted text. This destination cell is important because the formula you're about to write will place the output there, leaving your original data untouched. Now, type the formula. Start with an equal sign, then type left, open a parenthesis, select the cell that contains the text you want to cut from, type a comma, add the number of characters you want from the left, and close the parenthesis. It looks like this. Left A2 3. In this example, A2 is the source cell, and 3 tells Excel to return the first 3 characters. If you omit the number, left returns just 1 character, so it's best to be explicit. Also note, depending on your regional settings, you might need a semicolon instead of a comma between arguments. Press Enter to confirm the formula. You should immediately see the extracted characters appear in the cell you clicked at the start. If you're working with a list, you can reuse the same pattern for other rows, so each line returns its leftmost characters in a consistent way. A few quick tips to make this more powerful. If the number of characters you need varies, you can store that number in another cell and reference it in the formula, like equal left A2 B2. If your text has extra spaces at the beginning, wrap the source with trim so you get clean results, like left trim A2. 3. If you want the first word from a full name or phrase, let Excel find the first space for you. Equals left A2 find A2 1. That tells Excel to return everything up to but not including the first space. And if you work with double byte languages, your Excel may also offer LEFTB, which counts bytes instead of characters. Use it only when your data specifically requires byte-based logic. If something doesn't look right, double-check these common points. Make sure you selected a single source cell, verify the number of characters is a positive whole number, and confirm you pressed Enter to commit the formula. Once you see the correct result in one place, you can confidently apply the same approach wherever you need it. That's all you need to start using the left function to reshape text quickly and reliably.